Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
As expected, the PSEi rose during the first two trading days of last week, moving in lockstep with global market strength. The local benchmark reached as high as 6,300, but it bumped its head at the resistance of the downtrend channel we have previously identified, closing the week at 6,181. Briefly touching on PSEi seasonality, our index was historically down 60% of the time for the month of September in the past 10 years, and a similar trend is seen for all sector indices of the Philippine market. Based on this data, it supports our short-term view that the PSEi may continue to trade lower or within the downtrend channel drawn from the peak of July, unless a positive catalyst would present itself and drive the PSEi out of the downward path we are currently in.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.